Hey everybody, so I wanted to share a little reminder of learning today. So one of the things I've been working on today is creating a prototype lesson for the Learn Psalm 1 site course that we're building. Dolly did a bunch of video editing. I've been setting up the site, and one of the things that we needed to do that was a place to host the videos. And so typically what I would do is I would research the crap out of the different platforms that are out there. Look at all the different features and options and pricing and read 110 different reviews and try to make a final decision. This time I did something different. I decided, why not use both? So I'm going to be uploading half the videos to Wistia, which is one of the platforms, half of them to Vimeo, which is another, and then I'm going to be able to test both the admin experience as well as the experience for the learner. We're going to ask for some feedback, and then when all is said and done, I'll be able to make a better informed decision about which platform to use, which one will be a better use of the money. So unfortunately I don't have the site that I can show you yet because our internet upload speeds are terrible, so it's going to take most of the night for these things to finish. So hopefully next week we'll have a prototype out in the wild for people to check out and give feedback on for this Learn Psalm 1 course. That's it. Have a good weekend, everybody, and we'll see you next time.